Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech as well. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to fix or repair this system missing or corrupted files in Windows 10 or 11. So all you have to do is make sure to watch this video in case you are facing any problems with your Windows OS. Sometimes when you open any application such as Google or let's say any application such as Brave, you would find a few errors such as there are missing files or there are corrupted files in your system, and you won't be able to perform certain operations like deleting your file. Let's say I'm just deleting this PDF, I won't be able to delete it. But if you just follow all the steps which I say in this video, you'll be able to completely solve all the missing or corrupted system files. First of all you have to do is open your command prompt as administrator. In order to do that, all you have to do is type for cmd and you would find this command prompt and you would have to open it as administrator. Just click on as if we just get this command. Now all you have to do is input two commands. I will leave both the commands in the description, so make sure to go take a look at it. So the first command is going to be SFC Scan. So what this does is that it will scan your system for any missing or corrupted system files, and if it found any missing or corrupted system files, it would fix it. So use this command if you want to fix the files. Now the second command is going to be DISM /online/cleanup image/restorehealth. So what this does is that it directly cleans up your system image if the disk image which you're using is found to be unhealthy. Okay, so this is mainly for the system OS. So in case you are facing any issues with the system OS, that is the Windows operating system, this will just rebuild it. This will clean up your disk file or image and it will again rebuild your system. Do not worry, none of your data would be lost. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If it was useful to you, just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button if you want any more such videos. Well, it's me Surya Prakash from Protech signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.